In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products on Payhip. We'll go through the process from the Payhip dashboard all the way to creating your product listing so you can get your digital item ready for customers in a simple and organized way. First, open Payhip and go to your dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage your store, products, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the area where all of your existing products are listed and where you can create a new one. Next, click on Add Product. Payhip gives you different product types, so from there, choose Digital Product. This option is the right one if you're selling downloadable files like ebooks, templates, printables, guides, music, or other digital content. Now, you'll start filling in the product details. Begin by choosing a title for your product. Make it clear and specific so customers immediately understand what they're buying. A good title can also make your product look more professional and easier to find inside your store. After that, choose a price. Think about the value of your product, your audience, and how similar products are priced. Make sure the amount feels fair while still reflecting the work that went into creating it. If you already have a pricing strategy, this is where you enter it. Then add images or embed audio or video. Payhip allows up to 9 items here, which gives you plenty of room to showcase the product. If your product is visual, use clean images that help explain what the customer will receive. If it includes audio or video, embedding media can give buyers a better sense of the content before purchasing. Next, add a description for your product. This part is very important because it helps customers understand exactly what they're getting. Write clearly and focus on the key details: what the product is, what it includes, and who it's for. A strong description can help build trust and reduce confusion before checkout. Once everything looks good, click Add Product. This creates your digital product listing and saves it to your Payhip store. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the title, price, media, and description to make sure everything is accurate and polished. A well-presented listing can make a big difference in how professional your store feels. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a digital product on Payhip.